Hello everyone, this is chapter first of the economics development for the class 10. This is part first of this chapter. The name of this chapter is the development. In this chapter we will cover the topics: meaning of the development, development promises, income and other goals, comparison of countries or states on the basis of their development, income and other criteria, public facilities, sustainability of the development. Students, I think you know the meaning of development, but here we have the systematic meaning of the development. So look, meaning of development. Development applies total round development of a country. Means development means a totally development of any particular country. The society has various aspects of the development, and in the society various aspects of the development we have, means every people and each and every person has the different goals for the development, different aspects of the development, various visions of the development. So in the society there are various aspects of the development, such as freedom, economic equality, security, life with dignity, etc. Development involves thinking about these aspects and plannings for the way through which desire can be fulfilled. Means development is the planning and the way through which we can fulfill our desires. All this can be achieved through democratic political process where all people participate without any discrimination, and all this development can be achieved by the democratic political process. Means through a process, systematically process, we can get it. And now we have the another topic, development promises. Different people and different goals. Means in our country, in any country, there are so many kinds of people. Means they have the different views and different opinions and different ideas and different theory of the development and aspects of the development. So they have the different goals of the development. Progress or development has always been an important concept pursued by human beings, and all the concepts and all the progress of the or the development always been important concept pursued by the human being. Means these all are the pursued by the human being. Means development for people and also pursued by the human beings. Different people seek different things and have different goals for development. All different people have the different goals and different ideas for the development. So they seek the different things, they want different things. Various categories of the people will have different set of the development goals which are often conflicting. If we have different goals, if we have different theories, if we have different ideology of anything else, that will be conflicting. Means there may be conflicting ways, or there may be the clashes between the people for the different views. For example, a girl expects equal freedom and opportunity like her brother, and expects her brother involvement in the household work. Her brother may not like this. There is the conflicting between the brother and sister. Another example is industrialist wants more dams for their electricity requirement, but dams displace local community, submerge forest land, and whole ecological setup may be completely destroyed. Means dams construction is also the good for one but not good for the another. So the development perspective in contrasting and something conflicting. Means development also may be uh, beneficial for someone else but uh, lossful for the someone other, and it may be conflicting sometimes. So we can conclude that different person can have different developmental goals. Means different people, each and every person have the different development goal. Development for one may not be the development for another. It may even be destructive for the others. As I told you in the above example, means the dams constructing is the uh, beneficial for the industrialist, but it is the lossful, it is the uh, not good for the people who are living there, means it is destructive for them. So I think you have understood that development for one may not be the development for others. What is the meaning of this? And students, now we will cover the income and the other goals. What is the meaning of the income and the other goals? Income is the considered the most important component of the development. Means income is the base component for the measuring the development of a person, of a society, of a state, of a country. People require regular work, better wages, and decent prices of their crops or the other products that they produce. They require more income. Means every people, each and every people requires more money for their goods and for their crops or for their uh, product, etc. So students, I think you have understood all these things, and in the this topic income and other goals we will discuss some more other concepts or the other components of the development in the further video. So students, your homework is that you have to prepare the questions from the part of development of this, from this part, and you have to form some question, you have to prepare some question, you have to make some question from this. Thank you.